Are you a yes and person? If somebody in your life, whether it's at home or at work, brings you an idea, are you a yes and person? And I don't mean you agree to do everything, but will you have the conversation with me about it? Or are you the butthole we talked about earlier who tells me no all the time? We don't have the time. We don't have the money. We're already short-staffed. We're already working on something else. Let me pause and ask this. What's the number one reason people quit their jobs? Their boss. That's useless information. What do? Oh, this employee quit. Don't worry. I'll fire his boss. Fix that. No, now you have to replace 2 people. So the important question... Some of you are dreaming like, oh, I could get rid of both of them that way. That'd be great. No, that's not the point. That's not the point. The point is, what are bosses doing that make their people quit? And according to Forbes, the answer is they're not making their employees feel valued. When you don't feel valued somewhere, you quit, or you stay and you don't try, right? That's quiet quitting, right? It's also the number one reason why people get divorced. It's the number one reason why people quit going to churches or being involved in certain activities, why kids quit sports and stuff in school. It's just because they don't feel like they mattered there. But when you feel like you mattered, you'll run through walls, right? Raise your hand if you played sports as a kid. Did you ever notice you played harder when you liked your coach and you liked your teammates? I joke around, I would never want to be a quarterback that didn't get along with my offensive line, right? Why are they going to bust their butt to protect me, if we don't have a good relationship? Right? So we need to be yes and people. Even if somebody brings you a bad idea, have a conversation about why they think we should do that. And now what we're doing is getting to the root of the problem. And even if that idea won't work, we now have somebody who's feeling like their opinions matter, their ideas matter, and they're going to bring you ideas, they're going to bring you solutions, which leads to more innovation.